odor. Today we're gonna be treating body odor. If this is you, you don't want to walk around and people be like, So here are some quick easy remedy that you can try at home, and the first one is actually baking soda. Baking soda is the same as bicarbonate of soda. Okay, same thing. Baking soda, bicarbonate of soda, soda and bicarbonate is the same thing. You get a bowl like this, you pour a little baking soda in and some water, and guess what? Here is your odor remover instantly. Now you dip a cotton pad in, soak it, and you use the cotton pad and you apply it to wherever you tend to have all of that body odor: armpit, under the breast, groin, and guess what, wherever else. You could actually even use this to rinse your mouth if you have bad breath. So this is number one, which is pretty easy. You can go to the grocery store and you could pick up bicarbonate of soda pretty cheap. Okay, so that is act number one. Number two, if you have body odor, guess what, go to the grocery, get yourself a bottle of apple cider vinegar. Now you're gonna use this one in your bathroom, so keep it out of the kitchen. All you need to do, get your apple cider vinegar, a wash rag, or some cotton pads. Open, easy as 1, 2, 3, ABC. Pour your apple cider vinegar on, and guess what? Under the breast, on the groin, wherever you tend to have body odor, and use your apple cider vinegar twice per day. When you are done, leave it on, do not rinse it off. Preferably use your apple cider at night if you have really strong odor. In the morning, get up, take a nice fresh shower, and before you know it, the smell will be gone. Also, every step I do, it also include taking a shower. Taking a shower. You got to take a shower to get rid of all of that smelly. Okay, scrub a dub, rub a dub, scrub a dub. Okay, you got to actually scrub yourself, exfoliate your armpit using washcloth or other mild exfoliator to get rid of body odor. Okay, don't think that exfoliating is only to keep the skin clean. If you exfoliate your armpit, your groin, and under your breast, then definitely it's gonna cut down on the body odor once you wash yourself at least twice per day. Now I do know some people only wash once per week, but if you have a problem such as body odor, you should be washing, oh, did I just say once a week? I'm sorry. Well, there are people out there that only wash once a week, and can you imagine? But some people do wash once per day. If you have strong body odor, I'm suggesting to you to wash twice per day. Now, moving on to number three. And number three is, guess what? The good old lemon. And lemon is, expensive in some regions. So if you don't have lemon, reach for your lime. And now this is like the easiest one. Get yourself a lemon, cut your lemon, and look at this. Instant odor remover. Instant odor remover. Get your lemon, rub your lemon, and wherever it is that you find yourself having the most odor, and before you know it, odor will be gone. When you're in the shower, take your lemon in with you. Wash yourself like you normally do. Use your regular, whatever it is you use in the shower. No, just before you do your final rinse, I don't know, but I do have stages like rinse 1, rinse 2, rinse 3. Now, before you do your final rinse, take your lemon, scrubber, 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 scrub, 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 groin, scrubber, 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 under the breast. And guess what? Even in the back, you know that place too. You can actually use the lemon and use this every day, once per day when you take your shower, and this is gonna cut down our body odor tremendously. Now, guess what I'm gonna be doing here? I'm gonna show you an even more effective way of using the lemon. Now I'm gonna be combining both the baking soda and the lemon. Now this is also gonna exfoliate the skin. So you're gonna take your lemon, you're gonna dip it in the baking soda, squish it around a little bit, and guess what? Here you have a double effective odor remover. You're going to use your lemon and baking soda. You're going to scrubber, 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 anywhere you tend to. As a matter of fact, this is something I personally use all over my body as a full body exfoliator. Now, when you're done with your lemon and your baking soda, rinse yourself. Not only are you going to be smelling so nice, but your skin is also going to be looking bright and glowing from using this basically to exfoliate the skin. So there you have it. And that is not the last one, guys. I have one more to go, and this is, guess what? This is sage. Most people don't know that sage is actually good for getting rid of body odor. Now this is blended sage or sage powder, and look what you could do. You could actually take a little sage powder, or if you have fresh sage, that's even better. If you have fresh sage, guess what you do? Pick your sage, crush it in your hands like this, and just rub it under your arm, grind side, and you will be good. But if you do not have fresh sage available to you, get some sage powder, a little tip of water, mix it up, get your cotton pad, dip it in, and soak it up, and here you have, guess what? Odor remover. So use this, the same thing that I just said, armpit, under the breast, groin, and before you know it, you will be smelling great. And don't underestimate the sage thing. You're not gonna be walking around smelling like spice. Especially you guys, the sage for you, wash yourself with this sage, and when you are done, rinse yourself and go and use your favorite deodorant. That smell from the sage and your deodorant is gonna be like really, really fresh and awesome, and just, you know, when you walk by, people will be like, nice. And that's what we are all looking for. So I have another thing for you guys. You could actually mix some baking soda with your sage, and for you guys who play a lot of balls and you're very athletic and you know you have your smelly shoes, this is not body odor, but when you walk by and your shoes is smelling really, really awful, it sometimes comes up. So even though upper your body might be good, down when you pass and your foot is that sweat, mix some baking soda with some sage. Find a little bag or a cotton cloth that is breathable. Put the sage and the baking soda in it. Put it in your shoes and leave it there overnight. In the morning, it is gonna get rid of all of that bad smelling that is coming from your shoes. Because sometimes you might not smell bad, pleasant, but your shoes smell so stinky that because of that, when you pass, you give this odor off. So sage and baking soda is gonna help your shoes to smell fresh. Just keep it in there once you're not wearing the shoes. Don't pour it in there like that, because if you do, when you put your feet in, you know what is gonna happen. So find a piece of cotton cloth or any breathable cloth, put the sage and the baking soda in it, or any little pocket thing, and put it inside your shoes and leave it there, especially those really, really smelly, stinky sneakers. All right, so there you have it, guys. Quick and easy remedy to get rid of body odor.